Gambling has been a source of fascination and controversy for centuries, enticing people with the potential for quick riches, while also raising questions of morality and addiction. As such, it is only natural to wonder what the Bible, one of the most influential religious texts in the world, has to say about gambling. Does it condemn the practice outright or offer guidance on how to approach it? In this article, we will delve into the biblical perspective on gambling and uncover the divine stance on this age-old pastime. The Bible's stance on gambling, uncovering the divine perspective. The Bible does not explicitly address the topic of gambling, as the concept as we know it today did not exist during biblical times. However, that does not mean that the scriptures are silent on the matter. Instead, we can extract valuable insights by examining the principles and teachings found within the Bible. By doing so, we can gain a clearer understanding of God's view on gambling. Biblical teachings on gambling, a revealing insight into God's view. While the Bible does not directly mention gambling, it does provide teachings that shed light on the divine perspective. One such teaching is the principle of stewardship, which encourages believers to be responsible with the resources they have been given. Gambling, with its inherent risk and potential for financial loss, can be seen as a departure from this principle. Additionally, the Bible repeatedly warns against the love of money and the temptation to gain wealth through dishonest means. This suggests that the pursuit of wealth through gambling may be inconsistent with the values and teachings of the scriptures. Another aspect to consider is the potential for gambling to lead to addiction and detrimental consequences. The Bible consistently warns against addictive behaviors and encourages self-control. Gambling, with its addictive nature, can easily become a snare for individuals, leading to financial ruin and negatively impacting their lives and relationships. Ultimately, while the Bible may not explicitly condemn gambling, its teachings urge believers to exercise wisdom, stewardship, and self-control in all aspects of life. This suggests that a cautious approach towards gambling is warranted, with careful consideration of the potential risks and consequences involved. The Bible's perspective on gambling is not a black and white issue, but rather a nuanced subject that requires discernment and wisdom. By examining the principles found within the scriptures, we can gain valuable insights into God's view on the matter. While it does not outright condemn gambling, the Bible emphasizes the importance of responsible stewardship and self-control. As individuals navigate the world of gambling, it is crucial to keep these teachings in mind, weighing the potential risks and consequences against the pursuit of quick riches. Like and subscribe for more content or visit our channel. Thank you.